Adobe Photoshop. Next unit. Okay, the brush tools. Brush tools. Gradient tools. Rain bucket tools. So the next one, brush tools. Brush tools. So the brush size you can define from here. You can increase or decrease the size from here. Through the brush tools. So just foreground color converted here. Say here this color. Say just draw this one. Say so then change the brush color to the foreground color. So you change the foreground color. So then click on here. Say then after the okay. Say then. So you draw something. So likewise, say you draw something. Say the brush tools. So you can draw something. Say brush tools. Then change the color or the brush shapes. So you change the brush shapes. Click on here. Say then change the shapes. So just click on here. So then click on this one. Change the color for this. Brush shapes. Through the brush shapes, you can change the click on here. So the next one, pencil tools. Pencil tools. Pencil tools. Sizes, brush sizes. You can change the brush sizes. By the pencil tools. pencil tools. So this one, brush tools and pencil tools. Brush tools and pencil tools. So likewise, say, go to this file, open, select this one, so it's photo. So this one, zoom tools, zoom tools. So you click on here, the plus sign here. So you select this one, so you can increase the size. So the makeup tools, Dutch tools. Say select this one, say the brush size, you can change from here, brush size. Say now, say example, say this brush tools. Brush tools, so just brush tools. Say likewise brush tools, burn tools, the burn tools. So the burning the part, burning this part. So just burning tools. So the size also you can increase or decrease there. Okay. Likewise the different. Once again, select this one, file open, select this. Sponge tools, sponge tools. You can see the different from others. So this one, the three types, Dutch tools, burn tools you understood already. They then select this. For example, take this one, burning that one. Okay. So you practice like this, let me meet on next unit.